is on the run. It's a unique moment in our civilization. We're in that moment of history where science has unveiled many unexplored avenues. Today, the most terrifying topic of the town is challenging our scientific brains to find an antidote for this killer virus. From the advent of human civilization till a couple of centuries ago, it was not even in our wildest dreams that diseases are caused by teeny-weeny germs. Do you know? The poison dart frog can kill 10 human beings, and the size of some of these frogs is just a centimeter. Imagine you divide that 1 centimeter into 100,000 pieces, and there you get the size of a virus. That tiny piece is invisible to human eyes. This novel coronavirus makes 7.6 billion population go through sleepless nights. Coronavirus spreads through droplets either when we cough or sneeze. As we cough, there is a burst of air coming out of our infected lungs. An average cough releases 3,000 tiny droplets of saliva, while an average sneeze expels 40,000 droplets of saliva. These invisible droplets travel in speeds faster than a car. A single cough contains as many as 200 million viruses, which implies each droplet contains thousands of viruses. Once airborne, these viruses can survive for hours depending on the medium of the surface they land on. Metal surfaces 12 hours, air 3 hours, 4 hours on copper, a day in cardboard, and up to 3 days in plastic and stainless steel. These are developing figures. Once we breathe in an infected environment or our infected hands touch our eyes, nose or mouth, the virus could land up somewhere in the throat wherein they multiply. But in the case of it landing in our stomach, they will die as the pH value of our stomach is around 2, very acidic. However, if it lands anywhere between the lip to the stomach, it is capable of multiplying. Once a virus enters into the human body, it multiplies into 100 trillion viruses in just a few days. By the way, if 100 has 2 zeros, then a trillion has 12 zeros. In our human body, the white blood cell count is 100 billion per day. These fighters have to struggle hard to win the battle. Generally, in any viral flu, the battle is brought to a close within 7 days. But this time, our hero is taking a toll of 2 to 3 people for every 100 infected. All these facts and figures are for us to understand the gravity of the situation. We human beings always carry lots of beliefs, no matter the source. In social media, you might have encountered misinformation about how viruses can be eliminated. These quacks generally try to use elements of science to reason their thought process. So dear youngsters, let us use these figures to educate everyone around us. The present solution until the scientific community finds medicine is to isolate ourselves from the community. Social distancing is need of the hour.